So now let's move further. So now I can minimize first of all these two. Okay. Now I'll be getting one more route to list all the posts created by user, just by that user, right? Who is logged in, right? Yeah. Let's see how to do that, right? So in our profile page of the user, we will show all the posts created by that user, right? Yeah. So this will be also a useful route, right? So this will be also a simply get route, right? And let's say user will be client will be making a request to my post. Okay, here I can add a callback request comma response, and in this I'll make use of this post model, and I'll find the post, right? I'll find the post with this posted by, and this will be equal to request dot user dot underscore id. Did you got that right? Okay, so we are querying in this post model, and with the posted and this posted by will be equal to the id of the user who is logged in, right? Okay, so we will get the all the post of the user who is logged in, right? So here I can again I need to add a populate method, because you know just by writing this things will not work. We need to populate this posted by field, right? Posted by fields, in order to expand that this record, right? This particular field, we saw that in earlier, right? We saw that earlier that this posted by was just showing an id, right? So we need to populate that. So we need to populate posted posted by posted by, and we can select maybe an id and again a name, right? Okay, yeah. So if everything went correctly, if everything goes okay, then we will get my post, right? My post, and uh, I can send a response then. Let's dot json with my post, that will be equal to my post. And again you can see key and value are just same, so I can just condense it down to my post. If we got any error, then we can catch that in the sketch block error, and I'll console.log error. Okay, I think this should work, right? Okay, now we will make this field like protected. We will make this route a protected route, so user should be able to log in order to view his or her profile, right? So but for now we can test it, right? For now we can just test it by making a get request. Okay, so I'll be opening my postman. I'll be making get request to my post, and right now we have only one user, so we should be able to see these two ports. So here you can see the id is same, so this we have only one user as of now. So should we create a new user? Maybe, right? Okay, so we will be creating a new user, right? So let's sign up, right? So let's sign up. uh, let's sign up. So let's make a post request, and to localhost sign up, and in the body we here raw, right? So let's sign up a new user. So the name will be of so name will be of Ramesh, or maybe Suresh, or Hitesh. Let's say Hitesh, Hite, Hitesh. And email, I think we need to write all this inside the course, as this will throw an error. Okay, and email will be of hitesh@abc.com, and PASWRD password will be 1234, like so. Okay, let's send this request. Please add all the fields. Let's say what is missing. Maybe inside this header I need to add a content type. CON content type and applications a application slash JSON. So this might be an error. Let's send this one more time and we should see a message saved successfully. Okay, so now we can make a get request, right, to my post. Yeah, so I think we should sign in and then we should make a request, right? Okay, first we need to create post, right, with that user, right? Okay, so let's create a post. So again we will be making a request. So maybe let me find the create post. Or first I need to, in order to create the post, I need to first there are so much of the tabs opened. I'll close this. Okay, I'll make a new tab and that will be a post, and I'll make request localhost local localhost. Do we have something called create post? Localhost create post, yeah. And in order to create for post, first we need to log in, right? Then only we will get the token, right? So we need to log in. So I'll be signing in. So inside this header I need to write content type and application JSON. Okay, and yeah, inside this body I can select raw and I can log in with the email. What was the email? So let me copy that, right? These two things, Control C and Control V. Okay, so let's make a network request. Now here we got the token, right? We got the token. Control C. Now I can make a get request to localhost my post, right? My post, and yeah, I think for now I don't need to add a header because we haven't made this required. So I think in order to view this, I need to make this also a protected, right? Protected. So then only we will be able to access the user with this in request.user, right? Then only we will be able to access this. Then only if we will be able to access this request.user. So we need to make this also required login protected. So we need to make this route also protected, because if we will not make this protected, then we will not be able to access this request.user, right? Okay, so I'll save this. Okay, so again here I'll be writing authorization and bearer, and I can paste the token here. Yeah, I think this is it, and this is just a get request. Okay, so let's cross our finger and let's make a request. So we should be able to see only the one post. Okay, so okay, we are getting a my post with the empty array because I think we haven't created a post, right? We haven't created a post. Yeah, so let's create a post first. Create post, and in the body we can create post. I can select raw. Yeah, that is why it was showing an error. Okay, maybe title with I need to write title in quotes, title, title, amazing title, amazing new title, new title, title, and body, BOPY, body, new body, like so. Okay, let's make a network request. Cannot, oh, it is a get request, so I need to make it to post. Okay, let's do that. Please add all the fields, title, body. What else we need in here? I think these were the only two fields. I need to add a content type as well. CONTENT content type and application JSON. Okay, let's do this one more time. And here you can see we have successfully posted, right, our first post with this amazing title and the body with the new body. And now we can make a get request to my post in order to view my post. Okay, now error, cannot get my post. Let's do this one more time. Cannot get my post. Let me see what was the route handler. My post. Okay, just my post. We don't need an s in here. Okay, my post. Let's save this. Here you can see we are getting only just one post, right? One post, because we have created only one post with that user. But we have a lot of posts in our database, right? We have a lot of posts created by two different users, right? But we are getting only the post. Right, we have this three records, but we are getting only this one, right? Which is created by a new user. Right, here you can see the ID of this and this are different, but here these and these two ID are different because one user has created these two posts, but other user has created just this post. Okay, so yeah, this is how all things are working in here. I know I made this video very long, but okay, yeah, you understood, right, how things are working, right? Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. We will be continuing further in the next video. So bye bye.